Hi everyone, let me introduce Risotto, our dynamic binary translator for weak memory model architectures. In the last few years, we are seeing an evolution in the CPU market, with the ARM architecture being used outside the embedded world, with major vendors such as Apple, Microsoft, or Amazon building desktop or server machines based on ARM CPUs. Most major cloud providers also offer ARM-based instances that are more cost-effective than their x86 counterparts. But what does this mean for software developers that want to use these? Let's say you have an x86 application that runs in the cloud. If you have the source code and there is no handwritten x86 specific code, then you can probably just compile it for the ARM target and run your application without any issue. However, in practice, that's not always the case. So if you don't have the source code, you need to run your x86 binaries directly on ARM. To this end, we introduce Risotto, a dynamic binary translator for weak memory model architectures with a focus on performance and correctness of the memory model. Risotto is a dynamic binary translator that emulates x86 binaries on ARM v8 processors based on the widely used QEMU emulator. Risotto introduces new memory mapping schemes that precisely replicate the strong x86 memory model on the weakly ordered ARM architecture. In addition to the implementation of these mappings, we formally prove their correctness. We also provide a dynamic host shared library linker that allows Risotto to use the native ARM version of shared libraries instead of translating from x86, as well as a native and correct translation of compare and swap instructions. You can check out our paper here, and we'll be happy to see you for our talk on Monday, as well as have a chat with you during the conference.